I could not be more pleased to join Chairman Lincoln and Senator Casey in stressing the urgent need to bring integrity and transparency to the derivatives market. Chairman Lincoln's bill, the Wall Street Transparency and Accountability Act, is a bold proposal to help meet this goal. Over the last decade, the wealthiest Americans got richer by trading in the unregulated financial casinos on Wall Street. But our economy fundamentally failed to work for ordinary Americans on Main Street. For too long, wealth in this country has been created through complex exchanges of money, through derivatives contracts, rather than by the production and sale of real goods and services. Over the last several years, this house of cards has come tumbling down. But the wealthiest on Wall Street continue to collect their bonuses, even as their gambling has devastated the finances of millions of Americans. Paul Krugman, the economist, captured what's going on perfectly in his column yesterday. He called it looters and loafers. We cannot allow these same reckless financial practices to continue unregulated into the future.
It leads to really two questions right now that confront all of us. What will Congress do is the first question, and the second question is whose side are you on? Now, on the question about Congress, we know what Democrats want to do in the Senate. We want to enact the Transparency and Accountability Act in addition to the other reforms worked on by the Banking Committee. But the question about whose side are you on is a central question here. It's a question that our friends on the Republican side of the aisle are going to have to answer. And I have to say, when I see the reaction by Republicans in the Senate to what we're trying to do, I have to remember an old line. There they go again. The same crowd that has been protecting Wall Street and the record profits of the Wall Street scheme artists, there they go again, trying to protect them by doing one thing, saying no and stopping reform and stopping this legislation at all costs.
All Chairman Lincoln is asking for, and all we're asking for, is to let the sunshine in. Let's find out what's going on. Let's put these things out there transparently so everyone knows who's doing what and what's being traded and how much is being traded and what the value of these derivatives are and what they're based on. That's really what we're asking for. Why is Wall Street so afraid of sunshine?